Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today we are going to discussing about unit testing. And this unit testing we are also called like model testing or component testing. And it is done during the development of an application to check whether the individual unit or module of application is working properly or not. Like whenever the developer start his coding, right, that moment he is going to test individual unit. That is called like unit testing. It is done by developer in developers environment. Like when they are started development application, they are going to write some code, right? That moment they are going to start in their environment. It is performed well using white box testing. Is a part of white box testing, unit testing. There is a manual and automation they can able to do it for unit testing. And here the first level, like when it is a unit testing is basically first level of software testing. Like whenever we tested unit testing is completed, then only they will perform the pair integration testing. Until that unit testing, if it is not unit testing is not completed, they will not give the integration testing, but they need to first test unit testing, then only need to be come to the integration testing. It is normally performed by software developers or white box testing testers. And basically nowadays testers also they're giving a chance to test a piece of code using unit testing, whether they have developed the application proper or not. Like that application, the based upon the requirement they develop or not, that piece of code they're going to test, right? That also they're giving nowadays in the testers also. But basically testers also can able to, but specific members they need to allocate a developers also they can able to allocate whether they can able to test using unit testing the piece of code working like that. Also they can able to divide the developers. And basic goals, what exactly unit testing we are going to achieve. It is a every section of the code we are going to test and make sure individual parts are correct. Like based upon the requirement that individual parts they develop the proper or not. And we are going to find earlier uh, bugs in the development cycle also we can able to find, and save the testing cost, and allow the developers to refactor or upgrading code in the later times. Later, like basically it is like we can able to say, and we are like developers he find the early test bugs, and he can able to save testing cost also. Like in case if he is not able to find a defect well while he is doing unit testing, right, when he is coming a QA team again the cost of defect will be increased. Like that it is presented in the life cycle. And if he can able to find unit testing time and he can able to do modification, then he can able to reduce some time. And what are the advantages basically here, like, and finding problems early development cycle only, so reducing the cost of testing and cost of defect earlier considering, right, lower than comparing to a later finding. The cost of defect they're going to reducing using unit testing to find a defect, and reduce the defects when changing the existing functionalities. Like in regression time, like he develop and the changes happen in the regression time, then he can able to reduce that also in unit testing time only, and not required to go for regression time, and he can able to modify. And it simplified the debugging process, and debugging is process to find and resolving the defects within the program that prevented correct operation of software. When unit testing is implemented, only the latest changes made in the code need to be debugged when the test fails. Like we are going to test our latest codes, like a developer is going to test using latest code and debugging, and he will find more resolutions and he will correct the entire program, whether which operation we are using, what exactly the client is expectation. Those things he can able to simplify here. and he can able to it provides a code documentation to a better coding standards and perfectionist. He can able to do it based upon that unit testing. He can able to provide a perfect a standard applications, and he can able to do the documentation for that coding things. That's all about that unit testing. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.